Welcome to New Vision's Echo Tip, episode number 10. Hello, I'm David Ward, an assistive technology instructor from New Vision, located here in Southwest Virginia in the Roanoke Valley. Today's Amazon Echo Tip will be focusing on addresses, looking up addresses. So you need to take a trip to Walmart or some store or something like that. How do you get the address? How do you have your Amazon Echo look that up? Well, you can, much like phone numbers, which we discussed in a previous episode. So what are some of the limitations first? Well, the Echo is going to pull from a database from the yellow pages and perhaps the blue pages, in other words, government locations, but not the white pages, in other words, residents and local individuals and places. So you won't be able to find, your buddy down the street, Billy Bob or Peggy Sue, but you will be able to hopefully get the address for the local Walmart or Applebee's or something like that. All right, so now this also, one additional point, we've mentioned this in the weather tip and in the phone numbers tip we've had earlier. You want to make sure the location information in your Echo is set appropriately. It's going to guess out of the box what your zip code is, but you can go in and give it a very specific street location. You would do that by installing the A-Lady app on your iPhone or your Android phone or whatever, or go to the website, and you would go to Settings, then your particular Echo under the device, and then Location of Device, and type in your street address. And that will help her give her more exact information. All right, we've reached that moment again where you need to press the microphone button on the top of your Amazon Echo. That way, when I'm doing the demonstration, your Echo won't think I'm talking to her. So we don't want that. That would mess everything up, and you might not hear the end of this tutorial. So you need to find that button. It's got a picture of a microphone on it with a slash through it. And you'll press that, and it'll probably make a thump sound, and the ring along the top will go red, bright red. Or if you're using an Amazon Echo Show, one with a screen on it, it'll probably have a red bar go across the screen. So I'll just give you a moment to press that microphone button. Okay, we're ready to go. Let's give it a try. Alexa, what's the address for the nearest Applebee's?
Based on your zip code settings, the address for an Applebee's Neighborhood Grill and Bar is 4942 Valley View Boulevard, Northwest Roanoke, Virginia 24012. It opens in 17 minutes.
Oh, it opens in 17 minutes. Oh boy, might have to, lunch might be already planned. All right, so one additional feature I want to mention, this is very powerful. If you have the Alexa app installed, you can open that app and you'll see the address and likely the phone number for the most current business that you just queried, which is great because if you have a smartphone, you can tap on the address and get GPS navigation directions to wherever the business was, or you could even tap the phone number and call it if you needed to. So that's a nice way of being able to run out the door and still have that information on you. All right, so next time on our next Echo tip, we're going to be talking about facts and figures, how you can use your Amazon Echo to look up various facts and figures. It's that time again to turn your microphone back on, start practicing the many things that you've learned, and have a whole bunch of fun with that. I'm David Ward signing off for New Vision. Thank you for listening. This episode is brought to you by New Vision, in connection with a grant from the Foundation for the Roanoke Valley, and with the kind use of WVTF Studios. For the newest information and content about what New Vision is doing, please see the website newvision, ROA, the first three letters of Roanoke, .org. That's .org. New Vision is a nonprofit that provides information services and assistive technology training to the visually impaired living in Southwest Virginia. These shows are provided for educational purposes. This podcast may not be retransmitted, sold, or reproduced without written permission from New Vision.